All right, guys, I'm going to show you guys a day that I lost in the New York session. I made massive money on the Asian session, though. But here is a trade that I did in the New York session because you guys want to see, okay, I know I have a very high win ratio, over 90% win ratio on the 1 minute, over 70 to 80% on the 5 second. But let's look at this chart right here. So as you can see, I do futures and I do the NASDAQ. I do the 5 second and then I go to the 1 minute. This was the 5 second top and bottom lines right in here. Now this is going to be your support and resistance. If we break above, we want to go long. If we break below, we want to go short. Well, I put my thing in right away here because when it usually breaks, it goes down fast. And then that's what we got here. We got a break here and we went down fast, making 10 points. My goal is always around that mark of 10 points. Now, keep in mind, I want to hold some at the opposite side of orb and try to get a big, massive home run hit. So what I did is I did a couple micros here, got a beautiful gain. I sold some off, but then it went to the opposite side of orb and stopped me out. So that was ending up to being a loss. Then what I do is I go to the 1 minute, and I got these in a more bigger picture of what's happening. So we go to the 9:30 candle, which is 9:30 right here. As you can see, there's the line there. There's the top and bottom. And as you can see, for this strategy, I'm waiting for a body of a candle to break above. And that's what we got. We had a body of candle breaking above, indicating we should keep maintaining the uptrend. And then we go, and then we wait for a pullback inside this upper orb. And that's what we got. So we had a pullback here. I had my orders set already. And then we had this nice move up. All right. So this one right here made actually decent returns. This one's from 62 to 76. So you got your 10 points again. So you should scale some out. But I'm looking for like those big home run hits where it just keeps going up, like something like this, where it just goes up and up and up. So you want to scale out some at 10 points, and then I hold some at the opposite side. Well, guess what happened? It hit the opposite side. But I did lock in some gains. Now, granted, I am still up. You know, I was up over 1,100 today. I guess it refreshed. It's not showing it. But I was up over 1,100 today because of the Asian session, all right? So my Asian session is my most favorite. I hold usually overnight, and I got over 80 points doing this. I think you guys will love this strategy. Nothing is perfect, but like I said, though, I take those base hits, those 10 points that give me gains. That way I scale some out, and that way it's not a devastating blow, you know, if you get stopped out. But definitely join the Discord, guys. I think you guys are going to love it. I post all these plays. I don't just do futures. I do many plays in my Discord. Click the link in the bio to join, and I'll see you guys there, and let's make some money.